Hi, I'm Catherine Rule from @OnyxMatter, and today I'm going to show you how to fold and dye this stripe. So the first step is to iron your fabric to make sure all the wrinkles are out. And I am working with a perfect square here. This is 100% cotton, and I would recommend working with natural fibers. 100% cotton, linen, those are really the best ones. You can use silk too, but in reality, cotton and linen are the best. The next step is I'm going to fold it into a rectangle. And I like to start with the middle fold. And then I want it to be the same as this one. So I'm going to do little folds about this wide. So first I'll just bring it back and just kind of estimate. That looks about right. And then I fold it. And then I go the opposite direction, fold it over, and I like to kind of fold with my fingers, then use the iron and give it some steam. You always get the best folds when you iron them and steam them. Do the other direction. And then do this one. So that's the first half. Then I'm going to flip it over and basically do the same thing on the other side. Press. Go back. And press. Go back. And press. Okay, so you can see here now, it's basically like a fan. This is what I mean by accordion style folding. So I'm going to put it back nicely. And then the next step is I'm going to create the stripes with these tongue depressors and rubber bands. So I just get a couple out here, get some more tongue depressors. I want them to be evenly spaced, so I'm going to start in the middle. So I'm going to find the middle by folding it and then put one on the bottom and one on the top and press them together. And then I'm going to rubber band them together. And I want to rubber band them really tight. One side and then the next side. All right, so that's the middle one. Then I'm going to do kind of eyeball where the next ones will go. So these are symmetrical. Do like this one. Maybe I'll do thirds actually. I think that might look nicer. So Do that. So you can either measure with a ruler or just measure with the fabric itself. I'm a big fan of just measuring with the fabric itself, because that way if you're doing like a t-shirt or something that already exists, you know, it's specific to that particular piece that you're dyeing. Do one like this. And rubber band it tight on both sides. And you can straighten them out. Make sure I like the way they look. Okay, and then on the other side. So I'm going to do thirds again. Yeah. Start with this one. This is a great pattern for a t-shirt because you can do like the body of the t-shirt with stripes, and then up on the shoulders that can be a little bit more tricky to dye where the sleeves meet, and so you can leave that totally blue. It looks really nice. It always comes out. Okay, so then you're ready to dye. When I'm stirring, I like to go in a circular direction, and I don't want to disturb the top of the dye too much, because once you get air in, it oxidizes, and that means it's not going to dye properly. So you want it to not be oxidized. So I have a flower here on top of the vat that is like bubbles, and so this is all oxidized dye, so I like to kind of gather it to the side and scoop it out, because I don't really want that on my fabric. It's not gonna be a nice navy color. It's just oxidized pigment, so it's not gonna like seep into the fibers. Okay, so now I think we're ready to dye, and just going to put it straight in and submerge it and kind of swish it around, get it to the bottom and bring it out. And let's see, I'm going to squeeze out the extra dye for this one. And let's see if we can kind of peek in. See, oh yeah, you can see the white in there. That's good. That means it's nice and tight. And just keep squeezing it through all the dye. And you can see it looks kind of green. So once the oxygen hits it, it will be, oh, you know what? I'm going to do more because I want it to be blue. More blue. Make sure it's getting nice and dyed. Let's try again. Okay, good. Okay. So then I'll just roll it up, squeeze it. Get all the excess out. Good. Now it's time to reveal the shibori for this stripe pattern, and I'm going to just take a pair of scissors and cut the rubber bands. I'm going to do one at a time. Okay, do another one. And do another one. Okay, and take them off. Oh, okay. Yep. And now I'm going to unfold it. Oh, it turned out really nice. How's this side here? Oh, it's a really nice stripe. Yeah, so again, this is a good one for a t-shirt or a pillow or whatever you want to do as a stripe. It's a classic stripe. And it's very striking. It's a wider band than if you were to use a rubber band. So I like this pattern a lot. So this is what it looks like after I've washed and dried it. I'm just going to give it a little bit of a press and a steam, and it's good to go.